Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. Welcome to episode 10 of Geofatboy's Everyday Shave. Today's razor will be the Merkur Progress. This is an adjustable razor, very popular, time-tested, been around for a long time, made in Solingen, Germany. Oh, by the way, this is mine that I've had for a long time. This is quite a few years old. The brand new ones might have some slight variation, but all in all, it's going to be just about exactly the same. So it's smooth chrome at the top. On the bottom side is the Merkur logo right there. And on the other side it says just Merkur, Solingen, Germany, down at the bottom there on the underside of the safety bar. So the way this works, there's a dot on the handle. You can see it right there. That dot corresponds with these numbers on the dial, and the numbers go from 1 to 5 with half increments in between. So the 1 is your lowest setting and the 5 is your highest. It's got a plastic knob at the bottom. Let's disassemble. All you do is spin the dial till it pops loose, it drops out like that. Then you can remove the top cap. We're going to use a feather blade today, and here's a look at the feather blade in the paper that it comes in. I'm going to drop this over the post and the 2 pins like so, just like that. Drop it back down into the razor, and it went in the right way. On this side there are no markings. On the other side you can see there's an arrow and a line. We'll tighten it down all the way to the 1 setting, and then you can make your adjustments from there. Once the 1 lines up with the dot, then you can adjust 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, so on and so forth up to 5. For my first pass I like to go heavy, so I'll set it at 5. So the dot is lined up with the 5. We're loaded with a feather blade, ready to rock and roll with our shave. I'm going to use Taylor Bond Street Lime Zest shaving cream. Crack the cap on that. And the brush I'm using is a Shave Nation SN535. This is a G5 synthetic knot. It's super soft on the skin, feels really good. And the black handle with the little Shave Nation logo. Very, very sedate, not too wild, just something light right there. It's black on the bottom as well. Okay, I'm gonna warm up my Shave Nation bowl. Right here, it's ceramic, so it's going to retain some heat. Let's warm that up. I'm going to grab my mini scooper spoon for the shaving cream. Just scoop out about that much. That's it. Drop that right down into the bottom of the bowl, so it looks like that right there. Just grab the brush, soak it under the warm water, and shake out most of the water like you do with these synthetic brushes. We'll go right in here, see if we can mix a lather. Just press the tips down into the bottom in that lather spot, and the lather starts coming up around the edges. Grab that, swirl it back down. Let's add a little bit of water. Just add water sparingly along the way until you reach your desired consistency. And just keep scooping, pressing the tips down into the lather spot, and that lather builds up. As you can see, it comes up there. Let's add just a little bit water, a little bit more. Sometimes your issue with shaving cream is you add too much water or not enough, and you need to add back in sparingly, as you can see, which is what I did. Just added back in a couple times. You could see how it fills up the bowl and the brush. Beautiful. Okay, I'll warm up my face. We'll get right to the shave. All right, my face is good and warm. It's probably looking a little bit even more red than my suntan or my sunburn. Don't you just love summer? I sure do. There we go. Look at that little ice cream cone. We'll start on the right side. Work our way over. This Lime Zest, it's a great summer shaving cream. Lathers up easily, as you can see. Has a great light, just a light summery scent, a little citrusy scent. Nice cushion for that blade to glide across. Figure 8, smooth everything out. Set the brush down. Clear the runway so we can see our sideburns. Let me give you the specs on this razor real quick. The Merkur Progress, the standard version, it weighs in at 3.2 ounces or 90 grams. Overall length from top to bottom, 3.5 inches or 89 millimeters. All right, as I said, loaded with a feather blade, set on 5. Tempered under the hot water. Start on the right side. Yep, got that audible feedback. You can hear that blade singing because it's got a pretty good blade gap with the 5 setting. Right down the neckline. Excellent. Both sides are full. We're in set. Now the left side, same way. Cut that sideburn. Work your way down. I did have the 1.5 day beard growth, which is needed for the everyday shave. Right down the neck. It's a nice hefty razor. I actually prefer the long version. This is the standard. The long version, it's very easy to drop in your palm and spin. Mustache. Excellent. Rinse that. Quick rinse to the face. Pretty smooth right there. You know, if you're smooth enough right now, you can stop, but we're gonna go some more. We don't give up that easily. All right, just grab your brush and bowl. Just a little bit of a coating this time. Nice light coating for the second pass. Figure 8. Set that down. Swipe. Swipe, clear the runways. Dry the fingers to make the adjustments. Better safe than sorry. Okay, as I said, I was on 5. Got that dot. Now I'm going to drop it down to 3, so midway. There it is, set on 3. I'll go across the grain. Definitely a difference already. Not as much feedback, and you can tell it's just a lighter shave, set on 3. Rinse. Against the grain on the neck. Okay. Across the mustache. Beautiful. All right, rinse that. Quick rinse to the face. All right, let's hit those cheeks. Grab your brush and bowl. Just a slight application onto the cheeks here. Okay, now I'm going to turn the razor all the way down to 1. 3, 2, 1. That's as low as it will go. This will be our skim coat, as we like to call it. Don't scrape, but skim the skin. This gets your cheeks baby smooth. Other side. All right, rinse the razor. Cold water rinse on the face. Feels so good. Nice and cool. Skin is smooth. Very nice shave. Let's take our Shave Nation wide stick Allen block, remove the cap, just glide that all about the areas you shaved. Seal off any nicks or weepers. Tighten the skin. Excellent finish to the shave. It's a natural product that comes from the earth. Could even be used as a deodorant as well, a natural deodorant. Cap that, set it off to the side, let that soak in for about 30 seconds and then rinse it off. Pat the face dry. Here we go, we got a sample of George F. Trumper West Indian extract of limes right here. We get these once in a while. Whenever we get them, we give them away with the orders. So if you get lucky, you might get one of these. It's just a little glass vial. Remove the cap. It's in there pretty tight. A few drops in the fingertips. This will give you enough for a couple of shaves. I'm just going to store it like that right now until I'm done. Right in the shaving cream, if you can see that, standing straight up. Nice. Another citrus, light citrus scent. Feels really good going on. Dries really quickly, but it feels good to just air dry a little further. All right, very nice shave provided by the Merkur Progress. Let me wipe it down a little bit. Excellent razor, adjustable razor, been around for a long time, very popular, time tested, made in Germany. It is a smooth tapered collar right here, and then vertical lines, pretty severe, pretty deep vertical lines in here. Makes it easy to grip. At the band here it says your numbers from 1 to 5 with the half increments right there. And then this plastic knob at the bottom, like I said, some people don't like that. So they replace it with the Opgress knob, which I'll put a link, you can check that out. And there's the Merkur logo down at the bottom, if you can see that. So, excellent razor. If you want to pick one of these up, just click down below the video where it says show more, and you can grab all these items right there. The shaving cream, the Shave Nation brush, right here. Mixed up a lather real easy in the Shave Nation bowl. No props. And the feather blade, you know, always sharp, ready to mow down anything you put in front of it. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, share this video with your friends. I've got about 470 videos out there, shaving and more. So pass it around, don't be shy. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave, have a great day.